Thinking of putting up an Easter tree? Well, the clock is ticking. In this video, we've got 8 wonderful Easter trees that you and your kids will absolutely love. And with that, let's get started. Easter trees are historically a German tradition. Initially, these decorative trees were outside and they were covered with hollow colored eggs. Today, Easter trees are largely inside as many people flip their Christmas tree into an Easter tree, and they get more extravagant every year. In this episode, we feature 8 sisters to help you get ideas for your own Easter tree. First up is Sonia. Her dainty Easter tree is easy to assemble and decorate. Plus, you can sit it on your mantle, the floor, or use it as a table centerpiece. And since the eggs are only used as accents, you could actually display a piece like this throughout the spring season. Vanessa opted for a smaller Easter tree as well. Although her stunning Easter decor was already excellent, using this Easter tree as a centerpiece for her Easter tablescape made her Easter decor amazing. Wreath maker Sherelle dared to be different by trimming her Easter tree in orange and blue. You can purchase those items in places like the Dollar Tree and Michael's. When Crystal's daughter wanted to dress up their tree for Easter, this mom answered the call, making memories that will last a lifetime. Hey sis, we know you've been watching MommyRoomREDO content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Delonda started creating her beautiful Easter trees to commemorate the birth of her grandson. Michelle here showcases the perfect Christmas tree Easter flip. She did a wonderful transformation. Then we have Tia. I wanted to point out Tia because she does a great job of incorporating the typical icons with religious pieces, as we see here. And here's her mantle. It's super cute. Check out those rabbits with their carrots. And of course, the showstopper is that silver Easter tree with its beautiful spring colors. All right, so we're ready to announce the top creator. But here's the competition that's up next. Get ready for the annual linen closet competition. So, if you've recently transformed your linen closet, or if you have a knack for folding towels, washcloths, and sheets, we want you. Yes, we want you. To enter, send your horizontal pics and videos to MommyRoomREDO@gmail.com.